My name is Peter Bauer. I am a patient of McDonald therapy. 6 years ago I had a hip replacement surgery done and it went very well. I also went to McDonald's for that and I recovered within a couple of months and everything went well until for the first time a year ago I got trouble with my hip again, and it hurt when I did certain motions and also when I was running. The first time was pretty bad. I went back to the place where the surgery was done, did some therapy there and came back, but things did not go away and they kept on popping up. So I went to McDonald therapy and they identified the problem right away, and after 3 sessions I was pain-free again, and everything is good now. I can twist and turn again without pain, and more importantly I can go for brisk walks several miles and also jogging, even though I'm not supposed to do much jogging, but I sometimes absolutely have to do it and it's pain-free basically.